My name is Rohan and I am a student studying at class 9th. So we are going to talk about meditation. It is beneficial or not, and how it's help our body. So let's get started. So I started meditation, I think, from past 3-4 months. It helps me a lot. I didn't know about meditation, that it's what it helps and what is benefits, but I know about that it is peaceful. So my teacher, my yogita teacher, my school teacher, told us about how it helps our body and how it is beneficial in our online lecture. She takes at least 5-10 minutes meditation daily in our online lectures. So I get interest in that let's do it daily and then see what happens. So I did it daily. I did daily meditation, and the result was shocking. That my mind grew up very quickly. My mind became sharp, and my learning capacity grew up very fast. So I will recommend you to do meditation daily. It helps our body a lot. It gives our immune system, and it's good for children also and adults also. It's not that you wake up early. It's not you wake up early and do only in early morning. When you have time, you can do it 5-10 minutes. Very peaceful thing to do. Nowadays a lot of people are in stress. Some are homeless, some are jobless, and some are suffering from financial issue, and they are getting a lot of stress. So I will recommend them to do meditation daily, and it will help you a lot. So that's for this video. I will recommend you to do daily meditation. Thank you.